here at Walmart Showville. Now we're gonna check if they do have some Hot Wheels here. Let's go. That's their stuff here. Oh, look at that. Been looking for you. Hello. Gonna get this one. Put it here. I got this one too. And then this one. See. We got that one already. We got lots of neon speeders here. If someone's looking for them. We have this one already, but I'm gonna double up on the Porsche if they still have one. Nada. So yeah, I'll pick this one up. These are the die-cuts here. So they got Fast and the Furious, but I believe it's gonna be all the same. Yup. Oh, they got this too. Look at that, bro. Nice looking car. We're gonna grab this one too here at Walmart. Lots of Fast and the Furious here, but we're gonna check. Okay, I think this is a different number. Let's see. There you go. Nice looking car. We'll pick this one up too. We got this exotic Envy here, but all Aston Martin. Got the Dark Knight too if someone's looking for it, and then Spider-Man as well. See, let's double check this. Maybe we missed something. It's supposed to be the 1 out of 8, 2 out of 8, 7 out of 8. It's like 2 out of 8. Yep, we have that one. We'll get this. Some of the die cuts here. Got the volleyboard. There you go. I don't know. I haven't seen main lines here. Maybe it's on the back. But they got this Jada. Here you go. Got Pontiac here. Nice looking car here. Yeah, we're gonna get this one. Yeah, we're just happy to pick this cars here. Mazda, especially the Porsche 911, which is pink, from Neon Speeder. So that's a great find today. Let's go.